Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Fiat 124 Spider on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can of course see it's a two-door convertible with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space of the car first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, those twin tailpipes, and given the size of the car, plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through the controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition the whole way round, as is the bodywork for the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, the fuel gauge, and the trip computer. We have your rev counter in the middle, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer for the car. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our stereo and phone controls, and then cruise control on the right-hand side. In the center, you'll find the main screen for the car, which includes satellite navigation. The movement I'm making on the screen, for example, to access your sat-nav, is all done using this dial and the buttons that surround it. So, for example, you can go into your phone by pushing the dial down. You then connect your phone. We're not going to at the moment, of course. We can come back out to the main menu. You can pair your phone from the middle, and then you've got entertainment just to the left-hand side here. We have AM, FM, and DAB radio here. A couple of Fiat-friendly apps. Bluetooth audio, and then two separate USB inputs as well. Below that, we've got our air conditioning. So firstly, you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. Air conditioning is on when that light shows. Same button will turn that off again, of course. You can turn this to auto. Similarly, if you turn this to auto, the car is now taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperature you've asked for. You can, of course, manually override that whenever you wish to. We can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set over here. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. Our 2 USB inputs and the auxiliary input, and then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. Last thing I wanted to show you is how easy the roof is. You can do this with one hand. It's a little harder to do when I'm videoing as well, but basically you can release that catch and push the roof away. And as I say, you can open it completely with one hand. I'm going to get out of the car to show you the rest. As I say, it's a little hard to do when you're filming as well, but essentially just clip that in place. And then when you want to close the roof, it's exactly the reverse of what we just did, releasing it via that catch. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork that we have. So in the envelope, just here is the spare key for the car. So 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document, of course, and the service book, which shows the stamps here for 2022 and 2023 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.